Hey, I'm Bill Gagne, and I'm here to coach you up on finishing your basement. In this video, we're going to talk about how contractors make money so you can understand a little bit more about the business if you're thinking about hiring a contractor. Now, number one, they charge money for their labor and their employees' labor, plus overhead. Now, remember this overhead part, we're going to get to that later in the video. So whatever work they do, whether they are a one-man show or they have guys working for them, they charge you for that work and they make a little bit of money on top of that, plus they cover their overhead. Number two, they supply the materials for the job and they mark that up. So whether it's 2x4s, whether it's drywall, painting, whatever it is, they buy the materials and they increase the cost of that to cover overhead. Again, remember that. We're coming back to that later. Number three, general contractors will hire subcontractors to do the work. Typically electricians, plumbers, HVAC, maybe flooring, all kinds, siding, windows, whoever it is. They get a cost from them. They increase the margin on that, they mark it up, and then they pass that price along to you. It's very important to understand that markup is not profit. They are not the same thing. When they mark something up, they are not taking all that money home. You got to think about it. If they have employees, they have to pay for the vehicle, the gas, the insurance, the tools, the workman's insurance. So here in Canada, you have WSIB, you have payroll remittance, whether you give them benefits or not, which most construction companies here in Canada do not offer benefits, or at least small renovation contractors, because they're extremely expensive. Maybe if you have a shop, you have rent for the shop to pay for and the utilities for that. So all of that jumps into your overhead. If you are, say, a licensed electrician or a plumber, you may have union fees included in that. So we have your cost, which is your subcontractors, your materials, your labor, your overhead, and then you have profit. Profit is a very, very small slice of what that person is getting. The contractor himself or herself will get a wage, so they get paid that, but profit, overall profit, is very, very small. Typically overall profit, if you're lucky, if it's incredible, if it is over 10%, amazing. More than likely, your profit margin is going to be very, very small, anywhere from 1 to 6%. Very small. So when you're talking to a contractor and you want to negotiate or you want to understand, hey, I need to know why this costs. Is there any wiggle room in the price? They have things involved in running their business that are not negotiable. If I have guys working for me, I can't go to them and go, hey, on this job, I need you to take less money. Or I can't buy drywall and tell the supplier, hey, I want you to take less money for drywall. Those are fixed costs. Your vehicle, it's a fixed cost. All of those things to run your business are fixed. The amount of negotiation room is very, very small, depending on your size. If you don't understand how they make money, you can't figure out ways for you to save. Hope this helps you with your renovation project. If you're looking to learn more about renovations, maybe you want to subscribe to the channel because we're going to do more of these. Thanks for watching.